What's up everyone? Captain Sheila here back with another video. This is Watch Other People's Videos Part 3. 3. Not 2, not 1, 3. And this time we're going to be watching Zeph play. Let's go. See what he has in mind. What do you have in mind, bro? What do you have in mind? What?
Bad strategy.
I hate ads. Go F yourself.
Oh, they blew up. Okay. Oh my gosh. They were trying to hand it off the last second. Yo, what is
love
up,
that
everybody?
intro?
It is Zeph, and today we're back here on the Hypixel server. Gonna be playing some TNT tag. And if you don't know what TNT tag is, it is this widely tag.
Yeah, I know what TNT tag is.
It's a big game where there's a ton of people, and you have to tag each other with TNT, right? So this guy just tagged me with his TNT, so I have to pass it off back to him, because if the timer goes out and I'm holding TNT, basically I'll blow up. I'll blow up, and that's it. That's it for me. So, there's quite a bit of time left. I'm probably going to get tagged, like right there. Just got tagged again. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I got a plan. I'm just going to be chilling, doing my own thing. You already know. You know, how we do. How we do. All right, I need to go up, dude. I need to go up somewhere and go up, dude, and just parkour. Get away from this guy, because I really just don't want to blow up at all. That's my plan. That's my plan. But anyways, I'm really excited because there's brand new maps. I don't know when they added these maps. It might have been, actually, it's probably been long enough. Like, in general, that they've added new maps since the last time I played, like quite a while ago, because it's been quite a while since I played this game. I believe they added them maybe at the beginning of the summer. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm liking this map though. This is the first time I've ever been on this map. It's going pretty well, and I'm just parkouring around. Really, it's a big map though. This is a scary map. Oh my gosh, big maps are scary. They're scary to say nonetheless, because if you're it and there's no one around, you might be messed up a little bit. Might be really hard to find somebody, but we're doing all right up here. We're doing all right up here. Hopefully, no one's gonna punch me off on the side. That's the worst.
Yeah, that'll be
when you get like betrayers, like people that are not actually it, and they punch you off the side. That's the worst, bro. I'm telling you. But yeah, if you've never played this game before, it's on Hypixel. It's a ton of fun. I think you'll really enjoy it. Like when you get to the last few rounds left, basically, yeah, you blow up at the end of the round, and it gets less and less people. But at the last round, it's just so intense. Like it gets so intense the last few rounds because you're just passing it off constantly the whole round. It gets crazy. It gets really crazy. But check it out. I didn't even get it this whole game, or this whole round, I guess I should say. And so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So the time is out. So it actually randomizes who's going to be it next. Now, if you're not it at the beginning, oh yeah, see, I was it at the beginning, so it's going to randomly pick me, of course. But that's okay. I kind of expected that. So if you were picked at the beginning, you're probably going to be randomly picked to be the tagger, right? All right, let's get that guy. Come on. Do it. Yes, we knocked him off. Oh, that was legendary. Okay. Oh no, where did you come from, bro? What? Whoa. See what I mean?
Did he have an ender pearl, or was he a hacker? I think he was a 1, 2, 3, 4 hacker. No, 5 hackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hackers.
Okay.
Ha, this is getting hearts up in here. I just like doing this with my fingers.
I don't even know what I was saying before.
Baby,
oh man, but yeah. I know what okay, if you had TNT at the beginning, starting off if you had TNT, you're probably going to get randomly selected in between rounds to have TNT. But if you didn't get selected at the beginning, you probably wouldn't have it ever. Maybe once at the most.
I just randomly.
I don't know what it is, but I figured that out over time.
I wouldn't scream that loud because
yeah, so I might get it again. And one time every round I was in. It was the worst thing ever. That happened one time. I hated it.
Very wrong with me. Something very, very wrong with me.
I'm just gonna run away, get away from them. Yeah, I don't want any part of that. I don't want any part of that whatsoever. Oh man, I'm kind of stuck here. Oh no, I'm not. He knocked him off. All right. All good. Oh, that's the guy I was doing it out earlier. Okay, so if this guy comes up towards me, I'm just gonna jump off. I'm just gonna yellow it. I'm just gonna yellow it. Okay. All right, so there's only 10 players, and there's probably gonna only be like 8 or 6 players after this. So check it out. And bam, they blew up. Okay, there's 7. Not a lot of players left, so I gotta locate somebody real quick in case I'm it. So let's see. I don't actually see anyone. This is okay. I see a guy way up there. I got him located in case I'm it. I wasn't it. Okay, so that's good. At the beginning of the round, I wasn't it. But you always got to be aware in case you're it. But yeah, dude, this game is hype. This game is, it's one of the most hyped games on Hypixel. I think a lot of people just like disregard it and don't play it because, I don't know. I love this game. It's a lot of fun. A lot of the TNT categorized games are a lot of fun. Oh, are these guys passing it off or are they just punching each other? I think they're just punching each other. They're just punching each other. Just having fun over there. Oh, but yo, let's see. Where is the guy that's it? I haven't seen him up here at all because that's where everybody hides. So I don't know.
Man, well, he just appears right behind
I bet you could jump from there and get on there. That would actually be a pretty good spot. It wouldn't be bad. It wouldn't be bad, like, in the finals, at least, if you did that. But on the last few rounds, they TP you. They TP you to the spawn. I think they're going to start... Yeah, they just teleported us to the spawn. Yep, so I should have ran behind me, actually. I think I should have ran behind. I don't think anybody's chasing me, though. At least... there's a lot of people on the ground, so I think I'm alright. I think I'm alright for now. And there's not a lot of time each round. Like, look at that. Look at that. Not a lot of time left. Should we do that? Should we try to attempt to jump on the flower? I think we should. I think that'll be pretty cool. Yeah. And I don't think anybody will, like, aim for that. Actually, no. I don't know if I should go on the flower. I feel like there's another flower. Where was the other flower that I found? I think it was... Oh, right there. Yeah, that was like a weird cactus thing. But yeah, okay. So the round's over anyways. There's only 5 players left. So let's get to start a new one. Let's get to start a new one now. So when is it going to do it? When's it going to do it? I'm going to go behind me. I'm going to go behind me and just run. There we go. It's a good strategy just to run behind you, right? Because usually people go forward. I actually went forward the beginning, or the last round, but I got lucky. I got very, very lucky when it came to that because they did not chase me, so that's good. Usually they're going to chase people on the ground, but I'm just praying so much that I'm not it at the beginning because it is very difficult when you are it at the beginning. All right, so should we hide behind here? I think this is a good spot. We're just hiding behind here. We're just wait, 2, 1. See, like the rounds are so short. It's really scary. Very, very scary. All right, so 4 players left. Oh my gosh, this is gonna get really intense if I get it. Oh man, okay. Okay, I'm prepared. Okay, there we go. I'm out of here. Oh no, you can't go this way. Okay. We're going this way. We're going this way. I think this is a good way to go. Okay. Alright, and let's see. I'm making sure I don't like come across him real quick. That'd be a little bit awkward. If I came across him, I was running away. Alright, we're good. I think we're good. I don't see him anywhere. What if he was like right there? He just ran up on me. That'd be
that would
really
be
scary.
so embarrassing.
He's right there. Okay, we're shifting. Where is he? He's right there. How did he know? How did you know? Oh, he blew up. Oh, last second. Oh, those last second ones are crazy. All right, this last player. So again, this is where it's just like palms are sweaty and everything.
Oh no, the TV.
Crazy. All right, I'm in. Look at that.
Get back up.
I just ran.
And I need to get back up and... Oh, come on, bro. Don't you just hate ads? I freaking hate ads. They freaking pee me off. Turn back on. I'm like, oh, you...
Ran and passed it off. All right, so check this out. I don't mind passing it off, like if we just keep doing this type of thing, because whoever gets it last is going to blow up, you know?
There we go.
So that's what we do. So let's
there
just do that.
There we go.
Oh my goodness,
I just tripped over
like,
my own shoe. That was
sick. All right, so there we go. And I don't think can't make escape now, but I always got to be aware of where they're going to be in case they try to make escape. Oh man, I felt like they're really fast. We're both really good at this because she's passing off fast. I'm passing it off really fast. All right, come on. No, it blew up.
Oh,
very smart, GG.
Bro.
Very GG to you. And the winner is Dr. Bella. So congratulations to you. All right, here we go. We're on another new map, but of course I get selected at the beginning. Oh, how fantastic is that? I get selected at the beginning, but I'm running over here, dude. I don't know if anybody's chasing me. Okay, no one's just chasing me, dude.
Yeah. Okay. That's yeah. Okay. Let's watch some of this PewDiePie. Let's see if he made any new videos. Something happened. Oh, you guys know Willpower? If you don't, but I'm not sure if it's a prank or anything, but he said he got invaded by somebody.
Oh my God. I lost a sub.
Let's check it out. Willpower. Oh, what the fudge? Willpower. Go psycho. Here we go. He got invaded. And I don't. See, it's right here. Look, he has a troll mask on.
What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to some more WWE 2K17. Michael. I pull up 3 plus lit. So I know it's been a long time. Everybody chill. But now it's time for some more bangs, you know?
Yeah,
So
I know.
without further ado, let's get straight into this once again. So today we're gonna have. Whoa, what are you?
See, look. I don't even know if that's like a prank or anything. That's so cool. Not to be racist, but it's a white man too. For some reason, I think that's real. For some freaking reason. Oh, you a-hole. You D in the butthole, you effing mother effer. You shut your effing mother effing B a-hole, you son of a B.
Don't touch it.
See, man, I don't even know. But if you like that video, I want you to hit that like button or subscribe button as hard as you can. But don't crack it. Do not crack it. Do not crack it. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye. And I promise I will make a gaming video next time. Goodbye, guys.